the new benchmark for robotic building. On their website, the makers of this robot are listed. Furthermore, these are not idle platitudes. The group has received 5 international honors and has 5 years of expertise. The robot can lay bricks, 3D print concrete, mill, drill, grind, operate with formwork and plasma cutters, and do a lot more. Since each robot is modular, it is easy to set up data interchange and operate the job, even from a smartphone, thanks to the open platform. The most advanced variant has an arm that stretches 10 feet and has an accuracy of 0.04 inches. The group welcomes collaboration. Please feel free to contact us, they advise on their website.